character unlocked.
New character.
I'm Miss Piss. Every single day I pass this shit.
It's exciting. Out in there. I don't know why it was loud.
Raising Cane's
Raising
check.
Cane's check. It's a 10 out of 10.
10
the,
out of 10.
The sauce is amazing. The bread is amazing. The tenders are amazing. But music was a little too loud for me personally.
Like traffic all over here. Bus. No, but Black Friday. There's a line to get in though. For this one.
Wow, so much. Cool. Wow. Wow. What? Jordan, you missed the parking.
I know.
We are in the parking garage.
En route to Wonderworks.
We're hoping to go to Wonderworks. If Wonderworks doesn't work out,
We're going to
we'll
Dave & Buster's.
probably go to Dave & Buster's. Update you in a second.
Developed by Charles F. Richter in 1995, is a system scientists used to measure the strength of an earthquake. The greater the
We made it in.
the greater to experience an earthquake that registers 5.2 on the Richter scale.
Let's all.
Get ready.
That's it.
Prepare for the quake.
I don't know. It might be a lot worse than that. I'm feeling.
I didn't have the flashes on. That's why.
This is it. That's... Are we too big? Oh, are we too big? Oh, she's not done. She said, not to stink. I guess. Take a picture of her back. Oh, yours is like a zebra. Oh, I'm trying to get it. We finished
Wonderworks.
Yep, finished Wonderworks, and now we're going
We're
to.
getting by our van real quick.
We're gonna go to some shake place. I had the right away, just so you're aware.
Is it a milkshake bar or is it like a shake, like a alcoholic beverage shake? Do you still have the map? This is cool.
Because they hate us. I don't know. They're like, okay.
So like, no, it's not.
It's-
I can't get mine.
I believe in you.
Y'all just like drag it for real. And then block your nose too, and sometimes it comes out your nose. It did a little bit.
You gotta take a video of you.
I did.
What? Had like a little month.
Like, can I?
L'Oréal
I was trying to get
you on her.